How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys see, we have a little bit of a different video today. I'm with my wife. We're going out to meet Julio from the Slippery Beast Fishing Channel. I've been talking to Julio for a while on his journey to get monetized on YouTube, and he organized this lunch today with about 10 YouTubers that are all local Miami YouTubers are gonna come together to the Miami Outboard Club, where they have a restaurant and they're gonna cook up this beautiful swordfish that he caught.
Nice.
There you go. We're in Miami, guys. You get that a lot, all right? So my truck is not that quiet either, so I can't complain. And that place right there, you can take your own fish that you catch and they'll cook it up for you, and they have sides that they give, they have a bar and all that. So I've been wanting to do something like this myself for a while, but Julio, he went ahead and took charge and actually did it, and he caught a beautiful swordfish, which is the main part of it. You know, I have never caught a swordfish before. He catches them like nothing. So I'm super excited to meet other YouTubers. I got 2 bears that's going out there that you guys have seen on my channel, and Heiko from the South Florida Fishing Channel. So I'm excited to go out there, and I'm gonna bring you guys along once we get there. Alrighty, guys, we made it here to the Miami Outboard Club. Just saw Julio. He drove in through the back. Supposedly we come in here to the front. Alrighty, guys. So here we got Julio. It was his birthday, so you know I had to get him.
Shirt.
I had to get him a shirt.
My shirt. Got my shirt. All right. And I like the black too, because you know what? I don't want to say nothing. It covers up the white.
Of course, right?
Very nice. Miami Living 305.
There it is.
This is what we're talking about, guys.
Happy birthday, bro.
I don't know what I did to deserve this, but we'll figure that out. And if you figure out, you let me know.
You guys will find out in a little bit. In a little bit.
And eventually, my boy right here, Ariel, is gonna hook me up and see, and his wife is gonna hook up a little design for my channel too.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Alrighty, guys, we're out here. We got my boy 2 bears. 2 bears in the house. We got Key's boating channel over here also.
How you doing, brother?
His wife Christy, my wife Dan, the fishing couple. We got, of course,
What's up, guys?
Slippery Beast.
Yeah.
Heiko over here talking. He's giving us a seminar.
Give me a seminar, bro.
And Jay Fish Miami, bro.
What's going on, my brother? What's going on? What's going on? Same here, my brother.
We're out here, bro. It's beautiful. Right by the water. We're just waiting for the fish to get cooked up.
He's tall.
Yeah, in the videos you can't really tell.
Yeah.
How you doing, my brother?
I'm good.
It's gonna be amazing.
The highlight of the day supposedly is a swordfish, but it's not. It's actually a bunch of friends getting to know each other, hanging out, and this is the beginning. This is the beginning of a lot of gatherings, guys. So, what do you have to say? I don't want to put her little baby.
Maybe put it on the rice.
A little on rice, maybe? Yeah.
Beans with the rice, perfect.
Oh yeah,
You can't go wrong with that.
Yeah, that and or this beans right here too.
Tell him how it is, bro. Tell him.
It is beautiful and absolutely the greatest day of all of us here at the Miami Outboard Club. We're having a good time with other subscribers not, but more YouTubers, and we're having a good time here.
Yes,
Peace.
sir. We got Gus over here.
What's going on, guys? Living the dream, baby.
Yes, sir. So you guys already eyeing which piece you're gonna get?
I don't know. They all look the same.
Right?
Yeah, Michael and
They all look
Julio
great.
did for
Look at that plate of food, guys.
And it's like pinkish inside, right?
It's pumpkin.
Yes, pumpkin, so the meat itself is like a... Oh,
Yep.
okay.
About
It doesn't get more Miami.
Cuban coffee
There's some Cuban coffee.
with some friends, some family, and some great tasting swordfish. You can't ask for anything else. That's about it.
I showed a nice little pour right there.
Like Gus says, we're blessed, my brother. We're blessed.
Amen, brother.
We got. Didn't even spill a drop.
Nope.
That's for you, Gus.
God bless, brother. Thank you.
Guys, George.
Next.
I already had some.
No, it's okay, but you're gonna have some more because we're gonna. We're gonna do it again. Here you go.
Yo tomo eso.
Okay, you ready? Let me bring it.
Coge, pero brinde, go ahead, brinde, pero toast him. Toast it.
Vamos a brindar.
Bring it. All right, here we go.
Cheers, my
Bring it
brother.
in, bring it in.
Boom. Right
Boom. Boom.
Salud.
Alrighty, we're out. It was nice meeting you.
Same
Guys,
here, bro.
make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got the Florida Fishing Couple. We got Heiko over here, South Florida Fishing Channel.
QR code on yours.
And we are, guys. It was awesome. As you see, everything gone, destroyed. All right, guys. So we're leaving here. The food was amazing. I had the best swordfish I've ever had in my life. Meeting all these new YouTubers, it was awesome. Make sure you guys subscribe to all their channels. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, hit the notification button, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.